Midwest Kia is located at 8725 West Kellogg Drive in Wichita, Kansas. Visit us online at www.midwestkia.com. And remember, all new Kias come with our amazing 10-year, 100,000-mile limited powertrain warranty. The Kia Sportage comes in 4 unique trim levels. Starting at MSRP of $23,990, it's offered in an LX, S, and EX trim with a 2.4-liter engine that gets 181 horsepower. Or try out our top trim level, the SX Turbo, with a 2.0-liter turbo that boosts an amazing 240 horsepower. The Sportage comes in several colors, including clear white, sparkling silver, steel gray, Pacific blue, burnished copper, hyper red, black cherry, and snow white pearl. The available safety features include auto emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, lane keep assist, lane departure warnings, forward collision alert, high beam assist, smart cruise control, and of course, rear cross traffic collision warnings. And the cabin itself is packed for both comfort and technology, including an 8-inch touch display that has Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, allowing you to project your phone directly onto the stereo system, which means even the base level comes with navigation. You also get an app that allows you to remote start your new Kia 2020 Sportage. There's plenty of room in the Kia Sportage with 30.1 cubic feet of cargo space, 41.5 inches of front legroom, and 38.2 inches of rear legroom. Plus, if you're interested in the 2020 Kia Sportage, make sure to visit us online at www.midwestkia.com, where you can request a walk-around of a specific vehicle at any time. Simple, transparent, fast. Midwest Kia, a better way to buy.